it. I like to sing it. I like to sing.
Well, good.
Calm. Careful, buddy. Calm. Careful.
Out! Get out! Get out! No!
No! Biggie small.
Riley, come here.
I can't let you outside.
Am I driving okay?
Кевин, какая вкусная картошка у тебя, да?
You're crazy?
Oh my god, Maple. Oh my god.
Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
Program team has chosen me.
Little black, hang on. Oh!
Папка приехал, папка приехал. Ой-ой-ой.
Ella va bien.
Молодец! Молодец, мой трактор! Ты молодец!
Oh, it's a monkey o'clock.
I know you're so adorable, but I have to go to work. I know, I have to go to work.
Small bite. Small bite. Small. Small.
All right.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué?
Do your best. All right. Get it. Yeah.
Wait, no. Seriously? Why would you do that?
Do you want to maybe go? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Hi.
I know you're so adorable, but I have to go to work. I know I have to go to work.
Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Can you read this? Oh my.
Big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even.
Oh my god.
Girl.
You're not mine. You're adopted.
You're adopted. It's true.
Oh my god.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
This. Hey, you're such a thing.
¿Comiste? No.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Yeah, no, my daughter would try and steal that thing in a heartbeat.
Hawkins, you can just put it in your pocket.
I could.
Side pocket.
It's probably about the size of my palm.
We made it past midnight. You tired? Let's go to bed, Kermit.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
No cried?
Oh! ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué le pasa? Me cago en Dios.
To work. I have to go to work. I have to.
What? What is going on?
She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
Reverse. Couche. Fucking idiot.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep heels on my don't just on my cat?
It's Bluey. Wait, no. No barking.
Wait, no. 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 Hey.
Come on! Quick, quick, quick! Hey, puppy!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you! Ouch!
He's gonna drown himself.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Brennan's in psycho mode. And Petey's in tummy ache mode.
Can you read this? Oh my!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I grew a Siberian Husky. I thought I was growing.
Stop hunting me. Why are you? Hey, what's up?
I don't know.
Those were her hands.
Phoebe, hold the damn light still. Thank you.
Out! Get out! Get out! No!
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Chunky.
I'm so sorry.
Chunky.
I'm so sorry.
Hey son, look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
You just want to sneak a kiss.
Maybe what?
You just want to sneak a kiss.
You got a burger.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Oh, hello.
Get out! Get out! Get out! No!
Tucker, place.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty? Oh, hello.
No. Biggie small.
Can you read this? Oh my!
Reg! No! Reg! Reggie!
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. This is your baby.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
No! Эй!
Is your cactus your best friend?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Go. Do you want to go for a walk?
Me and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you. Do you have my back? Come on.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh goodness!
Oh, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Go.
Or how about let's go take a bath?
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Đi quả chứ.
She ain't moving.
No, she is not. Good one.
Spooky shading.
Mr. Elvis, mate, what has...
Speak. Ja, please. Misty? Misty? Speak.
Oh!
Fish flew right above you, huh?
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
Good boy, Kenneth.
Oh, God.
What?
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Out! Get out! Get out! No!
He's waiting for me on the other side. Oh, Kermit. You could have gone.
What are you doing?
Get out! Get out! Get out! No!
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué le pasa? Me cago en Dios.
Or a fox. Funky.
Do your best. All right. Get it. Yeah.
I'm doing a Sunday deep clean and I just like look over in the corner of my eye on my left.
Your big bubby. Who's your big bubby? Hey?
Tucker, place.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock. Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
No, you jumped over these double big. Can you read this? Oh my.
Nonsense.
Time for smelling salts.
What's this?
Oh.
Well, I won't be doing any of that, but thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, Comet's fine.
I got it on video.
it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Good boy, Kenneth.
No, 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 no.
Папка приехал, папка приехал. Ой-ой-ой.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you! It's okay.
Hey. Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Parkour! Parkour! This is Parkour. Internet sensation of 2004. And it was in one of the bottom.
Kermit, there's a guy.
I accidentally killed a man.
Oh, big boy. I love you.
Out! Get out! Get out! No!
Oh, watch out.